Hey guys, this is Jenna with Resort TV1, and today we are at Epcot and we're going to ride Spaceship Earth. Hope you enjoy the video.
Please take small children by the hand and watch your step off the moving platform. Platforms moving at the same speed as your time machine vehicle. Machine closed automatically. For your safety, remain seated with your hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the vehicle. And please watch your children. Sliding doors on the time machine will close automatically. Vehicle. And please watch your children. For your safety, remain seated at all times. During your slow-moving journey, your time machine will slowly rotate backward and you stop momentarily. This is Spaceship Earth Control. On behalf of Stevens, welcome aboard. On the map in front of you, please show us where you're from, while we input your time travel coordinates. Locate the monitor overhead to the right. Make sure your face is clearly visible and wait for the flash. Good. Sending photo to the future. All systems are go. Linking you now to your guide.
Like a grand and miraculous spaceship, our planet is sailing through the universe, and for a brief moment, we have been among its passengers. But where are we going? And what kind of future will we discover there? Surprisingly, the answers lie in our past. Since the dawn of recorded history, we've been inventing the future one step at a time. So let's travel back in time together. I'll show you how our ancestors created the world we know today. And then it will be your turn to create the world of...
Ladies and gentlemen, our time travels have been momentarily delayed. Please remain seated. Your time machine vehicle will begin moving again at any moment. Please remain seated. We'll resume our journey shortly.
Because something is about to happen here that will change the future forever. This unknown Egyptian pounding reeds all brings with it the dawn of great civilization. At this point, each civilization has its own form of writing, which none of the others can understand. But the Phoenicians, who trade with all of them, and they created a simple common alphabet, adaptable to most languages. Remember how easy it was to learn your ABCs? Track the Phoenicians. They invented them. The ancient Greeks were great inventors of literature. First, they established public schools, and then began teaching an intriguing new subject called mathematics. And with math comes mechanical technology and the birth of the high-tech life we enjoy today. The lessons learned from the Greeks, the Romans created powerful empires. To move their armies around, they built a system of roads all over the known world. Rome built the first World Wide Web, and it's leading us into the future. But then we hit a roadblock. Rome falls, and the great library of Alexandria in Egypt is burned. Much of our learning is destroyed, lost forever. Or so we think. It turns out there are copies of some of these books in the libraries of the Middle East, being watched over by Arab and Jewish scholars. Call it the first backup system. The books are saved, and with them our dreams of the future. But that is about to change. In 1450, Gutenberg invents the movable type printing press. Now knowledge can travel as fast as these little books, and travel they do. Books make it easier to invent the future in every field, and the result is an incredible explosion in innovation we call the Renaissance. we had to invent a new language, spoken not by man, but by computers. At first, very large, very expensive computers, but we see the potential. We have one of these amazing machines in their own house. They're just like problems. They're as big as a house. The solution comes in, of all places, a garage in California. Young people with a passion for shaping the future put the power of the computer in everyone's hands. Together we form a super network that grows with billions of interactions. And once again, we stand on the brink of a new renaissance. Spaceship Earth.
Your time machine is now rotating backward. Please remain seated. Attention, you are now rotating backward for your return to Earth. Please remain seated, time travelers. Attention, travelers, please remain seated. Your time machine is rotating backward.
The choices we have made for the past 30,000 years have been inventing the future one day at a time. And now, it's your turn. Let's have some fun creating the future, shall we? On your computer screen, answer a few questions for us. Then we'll show you a new world, custom-made just for you. Ready? Let's add in some amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Amazing new technology that we happen to know about. Your future is just about ready. Let's take a look, shall we?
Your vehicle will begin moving immediately. Remain seated, please. Our travels are resuming now.
Here in your future, getting away on vacation is a breeze. Your smart suitcase knows where you're going and what you need. And with solar power from your home fueling station, you're off. You won't have to worry about your pets while you're gone, thanks to handy household robots. You leave your country home in an ultra-light, ultra-powerful, totally networked family car that can take you anywhere. Since you like to wing it, your virtual travel agent gives you options for hotels and restaurants along the way. You can just relax and take things as they come. You'll never get bored on the journey because your car's home. holographic gaming technology keeps you connected to friends back home or can turn your vehicle into a home office. Travel quickly and safely to places you can't imagine visiting today. And the moment you arrive at your ultimate vacation destination, you can dive right into the future. It's going to be a big, beautiful tomorrow. The end. Or should I say the beginning of your future.
So here's to the next 30,000 years on Spaceship Earth. While no one knows for sure what we'll see or do, I do know it will be quite an adventure. An adventure that we'll take and make together. See you in the future.
Welcome back, time travelers. Now Siemens invites you to visit Project Tomorrow, an exciting world of new ideas and innovation made possible by Siemens ingenuity. Your vehicle doors will open automatically. Please keep your hands away from the doors and step carefully onto the moving platform.
Alright, well I hope you enjoyed this ride through of Spaceship Earth. Definitely give us a comment and a like, and also subscribe if you haven't, and keep coming back for more videos. And also check out our sponsors, mickeyblog.com and mickeytravels.com, for the best in free Disney planning advice, and also windowrepairparts.us, and use the coupon code RESORTTV1 for 20% off your purchase. So for now, have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Now that you've finished watching this video, be sure that you're subscribed so that you can get all of the latest updates. Also, check out some other great videos on our channel. Have a great big beautiful tomorrow. Bye-bye.